Lang ta mga players sa iwas injured ta kay para kuan dili ta mag kuan ng ambulance diya. Nagak attempt 2 points for the first score of the first set for today's video. Jersey number 9 to Chavez. We have here Mr. Ligan to Mr. Eric. Attempt for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Nagak. Nagak pass to Mr. Patrick. Patrick gipasa kang Mr. Pipito. Pipito ni plaster for 3. No good. Rebounded by Mr. Amper. Amper gihatag kang Mr. Largoni. Tira for 3. Wala. We have Pipito to Mr. Patrick. Patrick nagmamadali siya. Gihatag niya Mr. Nagak. Nagak. Attempt for 2. Nagmamadali siya. Naglisod siya. Giitsa. And no good. Rebounded by Kalar. Our kagawad. Ang attempt na palaka ni Mr. Amper. Nakuha ni Mr. Dogon. 15 seconds to shoot. And there's a first foul for the first quarter. Mr. Ligan first foul, first team foul. Jersey number 18. Remaining shot clock is 14 seconds. Our score is 2-0. Dong Botangi Guan ang tunga dong. 10 seconds to shoot. Attempt for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Largo. Nag-ilog sila nakuha ni Dughon. Dughon gihatag kang Mr. Patrick. 10 seconds to shoot. Nagak rebounded by Mr. Amper.
Manaay payong.
Okay, we have here Mr. Imar. Imar nagmamadali siya. There's a foul, ladies and gentlemen. Jersey number 3. Mr. Dogon first is na foul. Second, first team foul.
Payong lang mo. Taraw niya, kanan. Nakuha may payong. Ano ang payong oh? Lisod sa kaligong ulan.
Okay, 14 second shot clock. We have here Mr. Ligan. 10 second shot clock. Attempt Amper. Wala rebounded by Amper gihapon. 14 seconds to shoot. Gihatag kang Mr. Imal Imar. Attempt for 3. Wala. Rebound by Ann. Bola sa team NHA Saints. First quarter. Pagani, grabe na. Okay. We have here Mr. Patrick. Ika na Pipito. Gihatag kang Kailar. Gihatag kang Mr. Nagak. Attempt for jump shot. 2 points. Mr. 4-0. Okay, we have here the playlist. Gamay dia de na ko makita ang mga players. Thank you so much. Okay, we have Pipito to Patrick. To Mr. Suarez, pumasok. 15 seconds to shoot. Nagak attempt, wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Amper. Amper nagmamadali. To Mr. Amper attempt. 4 minutes and 23 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Patrick. And backcourt.
Wala na jersey si Biboy.
Okay, naka-live tayo sa SK page po. Kung gusto niyo makita ang live, visit ang SK. Tai ang bula, baho tai. Tagai, isa ka bula. Okay, time 4 minutes and 12 seconds, ladies and gentlemen.
Naitai. Yati si Patricio ba yun? Swerte na! Ato lagi pa ng labahan.
4-0 ang score. Wala pa ka-score ang Eljas. Okay, we have Imar. 10 seconds to shoot. And traveling violation committed by Mr. Mikabani Eric, wearing jersey number 26 from the team Eljas. Our time limit is 4 minutes and 9 seconds for the first quarter of this game. We have Pipito to Patrick. Patrick di minobol. Pass to Mr. Akayla. Gihatag kang Nagak. Pass to Pipito. Pipito. Pumasok si Yagi Itsaan. There's a call. Who's fouled up? Jersey number 26. Mr. Mikabani committed first personal foul. Second team foul. Pipito, 1 point for the first throw. Wearing jersey number 0, Pipito. From the team NHA Saint. For the last throw, Mr. Pipito, it's a perfect throw. 6-0, ladies and gentlemen. Our time is 3 minutes and 55 seconds. We have here Largo. 15 seconds to shoot and traveling violation committed by Largo from the team L. Just referee's decision is final and irrevocable, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we have here Mr. Nagak attempt. 2 points, Nagak. 3 minutes and 40 seconds, 8-0 to Mr. Emper. Deporma for 3 points, Mr. Mikabani.
Anaday mo?
Okay. 15 seconds to shoot, 3 minutes and 20 seconds for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Largo. Si Mr. Imar. Imar, dimming the ball. Yatag kang Mr. Ligan. Wala. Follow up by Amper, 2 points. 5-8, lamang ng tatlo ang Team NHA. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Our score is 8-5, ladies and gentlemen. Patrick nangitagabasad, 15 seconds to shoot. Akailar to Mr. Dagon, nakuha ni Mr. Imar. Imar nagmamadali siya, giit sa niya for 2 points. 7-8, isa lamang ang NHA. 2 minutes and 35 seconds for the first quarter of this game for the championship game. We have Mr. Pipito to Mr. Patrick. Yatag kang 15 seconds to shoot. Attempt. Wala. Nakuha ni Largo. Pass to Eric. Attempt. 2 points. 9-8. 2 minutes and 14 seconds.
Laro secret!
15 seconds to shoot. Doon lang diri sir. Doon lang mo no. Kay grabe ka crowded. Doon lang ang mag-time out. Dagang salamat. 1 to 3 seconds. Mo doon lang ta. Okay, we have here 15 seconds to shoot. Attempt Eric. No good. Patay ang butigay. Nakuha ni Patrick. 1 minute and 40 seconds. We have Pipito. Pipito and Nailog. 0. Mr. Pipito. Timeout ang NHA. First is na foul. Second team foul. Palihog lang ko ha na mo'y representative mo dool diri sa committee table. Kay grabe kaayo ka crowded ang palibot. Og dili mi ninyo sa gitan. Respeto lang. Dagang salamat. Time for the timeout. Time remaining is 1 minute and 33 seconds. Bola sa Team Eljas. Our score is 10-9. Lamang ng isa ang NHA. Okay, we have Imar. Imar. Attempt. No good. Rebounded by Mr. Dugon. Nagak pala. Sorry, na-overwhelmed. We have Nagak attempt and same ball position. 1 minute and 11 seconds. Okay, Pipito. 15 seconds to shoot. To Patrick. Akailar. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. Nakuha ni Imar. 1 minute. To Mr. Pipito. To Suarez. We have here Nagak. Second to play. 2 points. 12-9. 45 seconds. 40 seconds.
Oh, travel!
Attempt. No good. Nakuha ni Dugon. 33 seconds. Mr. Suarez. 30 seconds. Suarez attempt for jump shot. Rip. Bola sa team. Oras 24 seconds. Foul. Jersey number 3 Dugon. Third personal foul. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 24 seconds.
Panguli mo be.
20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. 10 seconds na lang. 11-12.
Oras! 5! It's
Time is over for the first quarter of this game. Our score is 12-11.
Wala pa, nagpa-heater pa. Sa imo kung mga bayad. Sa imo kung mga bayad.
12-11, isa lamang ang NHA. Okay, we have Eric to Mr. Cedric. We have here now bola sa LGS team. 15-second shot clock.
Dilong the game. Bida.
Mr. Dablo. Temp, wala. Gomera 2 points. So foul rep, jersey number 13, Mr. Esquilio. First personal foul. First team foul. Wearing jersey number 9, Mr. Gomera. Rebounded by Mr. Pitos. 13-12.
Ganyan, gula.
No good to Mr. Gomera. We have Eric and Cedric.
Uy, tingin sa bola, Eljas! Dati!
Bola sa Eljas.
Ilmi ka ba ni?
14-second shot clock. To Eric, attempt. Wala. Kuha ni Salo. Attempt. Wala yapon. Rebound. Kuha ni Mr. Dughon. Gihapon dito siya. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay, we have here Mr. Pitos, 2 points. Time out ang Team Eljas.
Sabra daw! Sabra! Wala,
Committee, time out. Five minutes and 41 seconds, no? Ay, wait lang, rep. Amo sa niikwan. Oh, mauna siya nga number. Mana, committee time out kay. Amo sang gi-correct ang mga jersey number, no? Okay, time for the timeout from the committee.
samukan niya mga player.
Okay, wearing jersey number 20, Mr. Pitos from the Team NHA. Standing on the free throw line. 1 point. 15-13.
Yahay, ba niya nagawa? Yahay, bagi mo lang higdaan. Grabe mo.
Okay, nakuha ni Mr. Gomera. 10 seconds to shoot. Attempt. Wala. Bola sa NHA.
Kinakasabi siya kung
15 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni Dughon. Rebounded by Mr. Gomera. 5 minutes. Okay, Maynard. Maynard. Pinabidibol ang bola. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Grabe ka, unstoppable Mr. Nagak, ba? 4 minutes 38. Man of Steel. Unstoppable.
Dagko mo kayo. Wala, tulod na! Ay. Hop, hop, hop.
Committee timeout sa ref, jersey number 11. Salo. First is na foul, second team foul. Committee timeout sa.
Taga dito bisa na.
Okay. Time for the timeout. Okay, we have here Mr. Suarez back. Esquilio back to Suarez. 14 seconds to shoot. Mr. Nagak attempt for jump shot. 2 points. Mr. Nagak, the scoring machine of NHA Saint. 4 minutes. Okay.
Nice one!
What's that, Rap?
Wala. Mana to? Last touch.
Stepping on the line. Double out to Mr. Iman.
Saba na sa kaya video. Kasi kasinggit dia sa atbang.
Okay, we have here Mr. Esquilio gikan kang Maynard. 2 points by Esquilio. 21-13 na po for the second quarter of this game. Imar gihatag kang double attempt. Wala na po ni Mr. Nagak. Si Nagak na naman. Nagmamadali siya Gita. What a nice shot by Mr. Nagak, the man of steel. 2 points by Nagak. Okay, Team Eljas, timeout consume.
Papa Kevin.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you're witnessing our championship game for the Panagtigi 3.0 for the SK Council of Barangay Balula.
Saba sa gayong tulo dito. Tulo ra kay sila. Kabalin lagi sila. Pabalin na.
Time remaining is 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Labaw ang NHA. Mahabol ba ng Eljas ang Team NHA? O sila ang mananalo for the championship game for today's video? 15 seconds to shoot. Amper attempt. Wala. Nakuha ni Amper again. Amper again. Wala. Nakuha ni Nago steal by. Nakuha ni Dogon. Si Dogon ibinigay kang Maynard. Ay, put. Ano si Dogon na kumunaunaan eh? Okay, we have Largo. Okay, nakuha ni Dogon to Nagak. Nagak na naman! Ayun, to Dogon. 15 seconds to shoot. Dogon nagmamadali siya. Gihatag kang Maynard. Maynard lumusot. Daghan. 2 points. Sorry. Sa may Dogon. Nagak. Okay, we have Imar. Imar. Rebounded by Mr. Esquilio. Esquilio gigata sa bola. There's a call from the referee, ladies and gentlemen. Who's fouled? Mr. Amper committed.
Buta-buta.
First is a foul. Third team foul. 37. Mr. Amper. Relax not the player. We have our referee to call. Okay, we have Maynard gikan kang Esquilio. Atong score, 25-13, ladies and gentlemen. Lamang po ang NHA Saint. We have here Mr. Maynard, 15 seconds to shoot. Wala niya si Largo. Nangita pa sa ligatag kay Esquilio ni forma for 3. Mr. Esquilio, 28-13, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, check. We have here Mr. Amper, 2 points. Amper, 15-28. 1 minute and 40 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Giving the ball, Mr. Maynard. Pass to Mr. Nagak. Nagak challenged by Gomera. 15 seconds to shoot. Attempt, Mr. Dughon. 2 points, Mr. Dughon. 30-15. Lamang ng 15 ang Team NHA Saint. 1 minute and 20 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Attempt for 3. Wala nakuha ni Maynard. Maynard, nagmamadali. Gihatag niya kang Mr. Esquilio. Pass to Mr. Dughon na naman. Attempt. Gihatag ang Dughon. 2 points, Dughon. 1 minute and 5 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Give back. You go, Mera. Attack.
Sky blue,
Okay, who's foul rep? 54 seconds na lang. Kinsay foul rep? Walay foul, last touch. Bola sa Team NHA. Violation lang po.
Excuse ko yan.
50 seconds. Esquilio. 15 seconds to shoot to Mr. Pitos. 14 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Substitution rep. Substitution. 34 seconds na lang po. 34 seconds. Second piece ng foul. Warning, 14 penalty ang team Elges. Mr. Pitos attack. Wala. Pitos again. Nag-inwagan sila. Nag-inwagan na din sila. 27 seconds. Okay. We have Mr. Dablo. 14 seconds to shoot. And what's that rep? Jersey number 13. Esquilio, second piece ng foul. Second team foul. Substitution rep. 17 seconds na lang po. 17 seconds for the second quarter. No more shot clock. 15.
Travel!
2 points. Paliwod ko, paki-assist atong bipat. Natay bipat mo sa paliwod. Paliwod lang po. Basket count, foul jersey number 20. Mr. Dablo. First jump foul. Penalty situation. Wala, not counted. Time is...
Relax anak, taas pa kag
2
future.
seconds lang po. Time is over for the second quarter of this game. Palihog ko, paki-atras lang atong...
Technical na nabiyo. Mahilot na sa diba?
Hello, check. Hello, check. Palihog ko, paki-daplin. Kana i-off na. Okay. 35-15. Labaw ang NHA po. I-change. Ibaylo na ang score, Koji. Ibaylo na ang score.
Okay na. Dili naman ang bend ng kuan sa NHA. Ring. Baylo na daw na. Okay na daw yun ang
Scoring bench. Dili na tayo, Baylo. Bench.
Okay. So,
gibaylo na niya.
Dong, ibalik, Dong.
Saba na po ng Kevin karon. Wala, 55 na naunsa.
Na 55 na lagi na.
Okay. 15 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation.
Time out.
Time out. Doon lang diri mag-time out, please. Rep, palihog sa ko, rep.
Bilang kay Moses lang po. Ha?
Team NHA. Ay, sorry. Tatlog. Okay, we have Largo. Largo attack to Mr. Salo, 2 points. 17-35. We have here Patrick. Patrick challenged by Eric, 15 seconds to shoot. Patrick nakita kapasahan gihatag kang Mr. Dubuan, 10 seconds to shoot. To Mr. Francis, 6 minutes and 19 seconds, 5 seconds to shoot.
5, it's up!
Okay, what's the trap? Offensive foul. Mr. Patrick, first is lang foul.
Francis.
Mr. Francis.
Pero matuliyo, kahit ang video. Iri-iri-play na.
Dili mo nga side back, eligyas ito.
Okay, we have Largo. Si Mr. Ligan, wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Eric. And 2 points by Salo. 35-19. Okay. To 14 seconds to shoot.
Bagong pintal, manggot. May pagwagi pintalan.
Okay, we have here Mr. Largo. Largo pass to Mr. Largo again. 15 seconds to shoot. Largo pass to Eric. Eric attempt for 3. Wala. Rebound to Mr. Dubuan. Patrick win the ball.
Klaro ka na ikaw ang ulo. Rebound.
We have Patrick attempt for jump shot. Wala. Nakuha ni Eric. Eric nagmamadali siyan. Pass to Mr. Ligan. Ligan ng itapasan and there's a foul.
Sabi!
Jersey number 15.
Sabi ah.
Substitution. Wala pa sir, wala pa sir. Okay, best. Substitution.
Adami.
Okay. We have here Mr. Okay. Backcourt. 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Three points by Largo. 22-35. Substitution rep.
Yeah!
24 na dong. 24. 24-35. 10 seconds to shoot. Okay. Si Mr. Eric. You have Largo. 3 points by Largo. $27-35. Wala. Nakuha ni Dugon. Liga na naman. Nahilog ni Pipito to Mr. Naga. 15 seconds to shoot.
Ano yan?
Eric. Eric, reminded 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. 15. Patrick. Wala. To Mr. Eric. 3 minutes and 22 seconds. 27-35. Wala rin. To Eric, atay. Wala.
Agoy, nanganay!
Nahilog ni Mr. Dugon to Patrick. Patrick, kinibutib lang bola attempt for jump shot. 2 points. 37-27. 3 minutes. Okay, we have here Mr. Ligan. Wala, rebound na po ni Mr. Amper, jump shot. 2 points. Amper, 29-37. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Binalusaw. 39-29. 15 seconds to shoot. There's a foul. Jersey number. Substitution rep. There's a substitution. Pipito. Second is a foul. Second team foul. Time remaining is 2 minutes and 19 seconds for the third quarter of this game. Our score is 29-39.